Good day, we are Group 6. Today we're going to demonstrate the Worker Scheduling System, a Python program designed to manage workers, their shifts, and rest days efficiently. When we start the program, it welcomes us with a clear message outlining its features, adding workers, creating shifts, assigning rest days, editing schedules, and viewing the dataset. Let's start by adding some workers to the system. In choice 1, we can input the name of the worker, like Zoe, Jam, and Lori. The program automatically checks for duplicate or empty entries, ensuring that each worker is added correctly. This step is simple, but it's essential for keeping the system organized and avoiding errors right from the beginning. Next one to show you the program is Jam.
After adding our workers, the next step is creating shifts. The system offers choice 2 to shift hours, such as 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. By selecting the two shift numbers, we add them to the schedule. The program also prevents duplicate shifts from being created, which keeps the schedule clean and prevents confusion later when assigning workers. This feature might seem small, but it's crucial for maintaining an accurate and manageable schedule.
So now that we have our shifts, in choice 3, we can assign workers to them. The system shows that a list of all available workers and shifts, and we simply select who goes where. For instance, Jam and Zoe can be assigned to the morning shift while Lori takes the evening shift. The program makes sure that a worker can be assigned twice to the same shift, which prevents scheduling conflicts. This way, we can quickly create reliable and organized schedule for everybody.
Next naman in choice 4, here you can assign rest days. Each worker can have a specific day off like Saturday, Sunday, or both. For example, worker 1 might have Saturday off, worker 2 could take Sunday, and worker 3 might get both weekend days. The system even tracks the number of rest days each worker has. And next for choice 5, if a worker leaves the company, the program allows us to remove them, automatically clearing their shifts and rest day assignments. This keeps our dataset accurate and ensures that we're always working with current information.
So when we choose option 6, it shows the data set. The program displays the full worker using the pandas. Here we can see the two workers, which is Zoe and Lori. So Zoe, who is unassigned with no rest day, and Lori also unassigned but with Saturday as her rest day. The shift summary showed that both workers under unassigned with an average of zero point 0.5 rest day, and the system also highlights the highest rest day count among all the workers. Next. So using option 7, it edit the worker. We can update assignment easily. So when we select Zoe from the list of the workers, the system offers available shift from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. or 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. We assign Zoe to the 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. shift. Then from the rest day options, Saturday or Sunday, we choose Sunday. So Zoe schedule update instantly.
Lastly, for choice 8 is exit program. Once the user selects this, the code breaks out of the program loop and closes the system safely. This functions end the program and confirms that the user no longer wants to continue. So that sums up our program. I hope you enjoy and learn something from it. Thank you. I am Lori.
I am Marielle.
I'm Carlando Parisha.
I'm Emmanuel G.
I'm Jam Cortel.
And we are Group 6.